is set to commission the construction of a new geothermal plant this year to boost power supply in the country. The Olkaria Five power plant will have a generation capacity of 260 megawatts, expected to raise overall installed capacity and geothermal generation to 641 megawatts from the current 381 megawatts. On this week's edition of The Transformers, KTN's Agina looks at the impact of geothermal power that could have in lowering the cost of power in Kenya.
Kenya is considered to be the home to one of the largest geothermal power plants in the region. Geothermal power accounts for nearly 51% of the installed power capacity, displacing hydropower as the top energy source.
At Olkaria 5, we expect to get about 160 megawatts. At Olkaria 1, we expect to get about 70 to 80 megawatts. So as you can see, the two projects that we are putting up together, they should be able to give us close to 260 megawatts.
Talk of setting up Olkaria 5 to be located in Naivasha is in line with power utility firm KenGen's vision to meet rising power demand, which is pegged at about 5,000 megawatts by 2030 against a supply of 2,300 megawatts currently. The push to scale up power generation is hinged on lowering power costs in the country.
We are ready to provide steam to industries that use steam for their processes. And we'll also be able to provide electricity because many industries want reliable electricity, and when they are near where that electricity is generated, we will be able to provide that.
Geothermal power involves harnessing steam, which is an expensive undertaking as well. With the potential to generate about 10,000 megawatts from geothermal steam, the financial spend has been a key impediment towards Kenya fast tracking the development of geothermal.
We require the support and the goodwill of the Olkaria community.
Additional generation from geothermal in 2014 saw Kenya cut power bills by nearly 30% after some 280 megawatts of steam power was fed to the grid. Although Kenya is the fourth largest producer of geothermal energy, high deployment costs remain a challenge to attracting local investors into the energy sector. For now, the government is banking on public-private partnerships to champion for investments in the energy front to make Kenya a key investment destination for manufacturers. Agina, KTN Business.